Okay, so this video is for my laboratory exercise 3 in one of my subject, and enabled to perform this activity or this exercise, I need a Cisco packet tracer, which is here already. And note, set up your video camera, take your video while you are doing the activity. You will submit this as your output for the activity. Procedure: open the Cisco packet tracer, connect 4 PCs, 1 hub, and 1 switch. Click once on the PC 0 just shown in the figure below. So I need to open the Cisco packet tracer, and I need 4 PCs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 hub and 1 switch, and click the PC 0. Okay, and next is choose the config tab. You can change the name of PC 0. It is also here where you would enter a gateway IP address, also known as the default gateway. After enter the IP address 192.168.1.1, it depends to you. Make sure it is a 32-bit address. Okay, so config gateway static. Okay, so config 192.168.1.1. Is that correct? Yup. Next is click the fast Ethernet at the IP address 192.168.1.1. By entering the IP address, the default subnet mask will be automatically displayed just as shown below. So next is the fast Ethernet, and then 192.168.10 auto config. So fast Ethernet 10. Oh yeah, it's automatically. Yep, 10, right? Yep. Next is repeat these steps for the other end devices. Set the IP address of the 4 PCs to 192.168.1.10 for PC 0, so that 10 for PC 0, that 20 for PC 1, that 30 for PC 2, and that 40 for PC 3. So repeat each one. Fast Ethernet, it should be 20, and the PC 2 should be 30. I think 30. Yep, and this one should be 40, I think. Yep, should be 40. So auto config. So 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 40, 10, 20 for PC 1, PC 2 for 30, PC 3 for 40, right? And then connect PC 0 and PC 1 to hub 0, PC 2 and PC 3 to switch 1. I think it's switch 0 because we don't have the switch 1. I think it's only a typo. And connect the hub 0 to switch 0. Connect PC 0, PC 1 to hub 0. So in order to connect these devices, we need to use a cable. And we can use this. They automatically choose connection type. It will help us to make our lives easier, because we don't need to think about what cable is matched with this device to this device. So we can use this one. As you see, it's automatically green, so it means like the connection is fine. But we can also use the copper straight through to connect hub to a PC as well. Yep. Okay, so the next one is connect the hub 0 to switch 0. Connection is okay if green lights appears for every connections. So we need to connect these two as well. We will use the copper crossover cable. Yep, and also to make our lives more convenient as well, we can fast forward. It will turns this orange into green. Yep, like that. And next is so connection is okay if green lights appear, so it's all green, so it's okay. Simulate the network by switching the real mode to simulation mode. The tab is partially hidden behind the real-time tab at the bottom right hand corner. The tab has an icon that has watch on it. So I think I have the latest Cisco Packet Tracer version, and as you see, the real-time tab is not on the top of the simulation tab. As yeah, the tab is partially hidden behind, so yeah, it's not hidden, but I think it will work the same way. After switching to simulation mode, so we will switch to simulation mode, click the envelope and drag it to either one of the PC, and click another envelope and drag it again to another PC, and click the auto capture play button. Observe the observe the flow of messages and determine if it is successful or failed. Okay, so what's that? Sorry for that. Okay, so okay, so we need to get this envelope here and drag it here. Yep. Another one here. Okay, and then let's try. We will know the status if it is failed or successful here later on. So we will start. Just click, cool. So as you've seen, this PC2 is here, right? And it goes into PC3. The source is PC2, and the destination is PC3, and it is already successful now. But the other one, which is the PC0 to PC1, is still in progress. But if we keep doing that, I think it will be progress later. Yep. So look at this one now. It's successful. It is successful as well. And it's from PC0, which is here earlier. Then the destination is on the PC1. Yeah, so it is successful. Yep. So next questions to be answered within the video. What is the importance of a gateway? For me, the importance of a gateway is it is really important because it serves like an opening or an entrance, which converts data or informations or communications from one protocol or format to another. Yeah, so it's really important. Next one, what is the transmission medium used to connect hub and switch? So earlier I used the this one, the copper crossover cable, which is a cable with this is a cable that two wires are cross like that. That's why it is called copper cross cable. Next, what is the indication if the connection of your PCs are successful? So earlier we've seen like this is successful already. Using the simulation mode, we can identify if it is successful or not, but also we can use the real time as well, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, by pinging PCs from another PC. So let's see, for example, we will ping PC1, PC2, and PC3 from PC0. If we got a response and from PC1, PC2, and PC3, it means like it is working well. Yeah. So let's try. So I think we can rename this. This is the PC10 IP address 10, right? 10, yep. Next one is 20. 20. And this one is 30. And this one is 40. Yeah, let's check. 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay, so let's ping the 20, 30, and 40 from using the PC with an IP address of ends with 10. Okay, so all we need to do is go to the desktop, then go command prompt, then IP config first. So now we are in the command prompt of PC with an IP address of 192.168.1.10, which is the PC0 earlier, because we renamed it. So we need to ping 192.168.1.20. Is it correct? Yep. Yeah, so we got a response from this PC. I mean, with a PC with an IP address that ends with 20, which is this one. So we will also try to ping 30 as well. Pinging. Yeah, we got a reply as well. It's working fine. 40. Yep, and it is working fine. Yeah, so that's it. Next, what can you conclude from this activity? Therefore, I conclude that in this activity, I have learned a lot of things using the Cisco Packet Tracer, and also about simulation mode, and what's the other one? Simulation mode and the real-time mode, which allows us to see directly. It allows us to see directly the device and see what packets are sending, and what these packets contains, and it really helps us to understand the inner working of each devices and networks, and it also helps us to understand not only the communication, but the specific protocol that a network use or need.